The myAudi app allows you to send a destination from your smartphone to your vehicle's MMI for navigation. To begin, open the myAudi app on your smartphone, then open the Map tab. Enter your destination into the search bar and press Send to send the destination to your vehicle's MMI. The destination will be displayed at the top of the MMI screen. If the destination disappears from the screen before you begin your route, click the Select Destination icon displayed on the navigation map. Then, Receive Destinations and Routes to bring your route back up. Should you choose to, you can save frequently visited addresses as favorites by entering an address in the search bar and pressing the Favorite button. The next time you want to navigate to one of these locations, simply press the Favorites button again to bring up your list on your myAudi app by clicking on the arrow in the search bar on the map screen. You can also access Favorites, Sent Destinations, or Last Destinations and select a destination from there. Or on your MMI by making sure you are logged in, then going to Navigation on the home screen and selecting Last Destinations, Favorites, Contacts, or Received Destinations and Routes. For your convenience, destinations can be sent from virtually any navigation app. In most cases, you simply open the app on your smartphone, enter the address in the search bar, then click on it, or select it from the list displayed, and press the Share button to bring up different options for where to share the location. In this instance, you'll want to scroll to your apps, select the myAudi app, and press Send. The app will notify you when the destination has been sent successfully.